That's a sign no one wants to see. Unless, of course, you're going downhill. At least I'm not on a single speed. Oh, and if anyone's noticed the silver foil, that's today's snack. But I'm not going to reveal it yet. There's got to be some suspense in this video. Apart from some old git heavy breathing up a hill. And I can assure you it's steeper than it looks because the GoPro tends to flatten stuff out. So I'm quite happy or pleased that I'm able to speak at the same time as turning the pedals. Anyway, see you at the top, hopefully. Well, made it to the top, and I'm pleased to say didn't have to use bottom gear, although it got close. And all that just to avoid a hill that I really hate. When in reality this one is 3 times as long and in 2 places just as steep. There you go, that's psychology for you, I guess. And I know some people get twitchy about dirty bikes. I was out riding yesterday trying out a new route and it was very muddy. And I can assure anyone who's concerned that I do clean the drive chain off before riding again. This is what it looks like at the moment. Not the cleanest, but bikes are meant to ride and not to look at and be shiny. Well, maybe once in a while, but I prefer to ride it. Not have epic climbs and scenery as the Peak District or the Lake District, but let's say we have some stunning ecclesiastical buildings, and that's not an easy word to say after the climb I've just done. Well, it's time for lunch and time to reveal what's in the silver foil. I'm not sure when this video is going to come out. But somehow this setting is rather appropriate because today's is hot cross buns. Just with butter, no cheese. You can't have everything. And this probably is the best sign, apart from Bridleway, because it could lead to something exciting. Yeah, something very exciting. I have no idea where it goes. Well, it's definitely unsuitable for motor vehicles. But very suitable for gravel bikes. I'm not going very fast because I'm doing it one-handed again, very stupidly. No idea where I am. So one piece of advice is, if you're ever out and about and you see this sign, whatever you do, take it, because that section was absolutely brilliant and I've never ridden it before in my whole life ever, and I will be doing it again, but in that direction that I've just done it, because a lot of it is downhill. Proper unsuitable, only for tractors and gravel bikes and mountain bikes. Quality stuff. Okay, so there seems to be a bit of a theme to this ride, so we know what the title's going to be. I went for a ride on my bike. Maybe not. Well, yes, I am walking this section because technically it's a footpath, although I don't think there's anyone around for miles. But as this is going on video, I thought I probably should. And that's the reason. Well, you can see that obelisk or folly or something up there, which I presume is on the footpath. I think I need to find a better way to access it. Yeah, so okay, this is the easier way. Interesting. Well, I've always wanted to get up close, but again, it's a footpath. Well, thanks for watching another video. It'd be great if you could subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this film, and perhaps press the little bell icon so you get told when there's a new video, and that way you can either watch it or avoid it. Thanks for watching.